Welcome to Miss Marge Vlogs. It's December 23, 2025, day 1 of Project Recovery. My journey from being broke to riches. My life struggles, life lessons, at araw-araw na pagpupursige sa buhay. Kahit ilang beses pa tayo magka-glitz, tuloy lang ang laban. For the next 365 days, ang mission ko ay to heal mentally, rise financially, bayaran lahat ng utang, grow emotionally, and become the best version of myself. If you want to support me with this journey, please subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, Miss Marge Vlogs, and follow my Facebook page, Miss Marge Vlogs. And if you need ticket and you want to tour, please support my business, RMT Travel and Tours. Just message our Facebook page, RMT Travel and Tours, for your booking inquiries. And kung natuwa po kayo sa video to, please don't forget to like and share this video. Bakit ko nga ba ginagawa tong Project Recovery? Lahat ay nagsimula last 2022. The year I completely broke down, emotionally, mentally, and financially. For 2 years, I was heartbroken after my husband's betrayal. I was hurting, confused, depressed, and because of that pain, I made unhealthy decisions. Nagsugal ako, nabaon ako sa utang, nawalan ako ng direksyon sa buhay, at ang pinakamasakit, nawala akong sarili ko. Pero ngayon, tama na. This is the beginning of my comeback. A new chapter starts today. For the next 365 days, samahan niyo ako sa Project Recovery. Together we rise, together we heal. My goals, to be fully healed and genuinely happy. Bayaran lahat ng utang ko, to save and invest para sa future namin ng anak ko, and to become the strongest, happiest, and best version of myself. After 365 days, ang goal ko ay dapat fully paid na ang lahat ng utang ko. And we'll look back gaano ba kalayo ang aking naabot at anong mga na-achieve ko after 365 days. Nasaan na ba ako ngayon? Eto ako ngayon, starting over but stronger. Bit-bit ang mga aral ng kahapon, pero hindi na bihag ng nakaraan. At kahit marami akong pagkakamali at pagkadapa sa buhay, God still bless me. Kailangan kong tumayo para sa sarili ko at para sa anak ko. Kaya bumalik ako sa corporate world, bumalik akong magtrabaho, and God surprised me with a new job that is generous and less stressful. Despite all the problems I'm facing, hindi na ako natatakot. I know God is with me. My God is bigger than my problems. Hindi ko nga maisip kung paano ko na-survive ang taong ito. It was only because of God's grace. Thank you, Lord. I also want to thank everyone who helped me, prayed for me, believed in me, and stayed with me during the darkest moments of my life. My friends, relatives, my previous boss, and co-workers, especially my family, lalo na sina mama at papa. Thank you. I survived these years and learned the biggest lesson of my life. And to my YouTube subscribers and Facebook followers, thank you for staying and supporting me. I will continue uploading tutorial and helpful tips. Now, I also be sharing my daily grind, recovery, journey, and life lessons. Sana samahan niyo pa rin ako. Once I'm fully back on track and successful, I want to be a blessing to others, especially to my subscribers and followers who stay with me through everything. Sana supportahan niyo pa rin ako sa bagong journey na ito. Napatunayan ko na kahit nawalan ka ng pera, tao o direksyon sa buhay, as long as you are alive, you can rebuild. Your comeback can be bigger than your breakdown. Lahat tayo may chance pa rin sa buhay. Gaano man kahirap o kasama yung pinagdaanan natin, there are still better days coming. So keep going. If you're in your healing era, comeback era, or rebuild era, welcome. This journey is for us.